Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to track a package on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and enter section My Orders right here. So now we want to find order that you want to track. Then tap on it to open its details and find a button that says tracking. So it should approximately look like this. Here you can see your estimate delivery time, which is very convenient. You can see your carrier. You can also see your tracking number, and basically AliExpress shows you all the shipping updates. They are here. So here it says that shipment ready for dispatch. That is basically all shipping updates, but if you don't want to use AliExpress application, you can also take your tracking number and drop it to universal tracking website. For example, AliExpress here suggests me 17 track, but I personally prefer more website, this one, parcelapp.com. So you can copy that tracking number, then enter it right here, tap this icon, and it will pull all information from all the courier systems. But don't panic if your tracking looks stuck, because AliExpress logistics usually slow to update, and sometimes it only refreshes when your parcel enters your country. So that's basically how you can track your parcel on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.